Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 17 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for today is something ornate. And I've got this beautiful doorway that's been decorated, a bottle or glass. I've got these wine glasses, an herb or other fragrant plant. There's roses in this, and you've got the, I don't know if they're like a cedar type plant that would smell. A line from a poem or song is, "When the garden of nature opens its heart, the garden of flowers hugs are too welcome." And then I've got a piece of ribbon and a label. So I hope everybody's doing great. I hope you'll enjoy this video, and please check out Margarete Miller's channel and be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CWP17 to see what everyone else has made. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here we are. We've got something ornate. We've got a bottle or a glass, an herb or other fragrant plant, a piece of ribbon, a line from a poem or song, and a label. And this one was very simple. I just embellished with a few gold splatters. I thought the occasion deserved it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Again, please be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CWP17. So y'all have a great and wonderful week, and until next time, bye y'all.